Hey guys, it's Gloria. It's Gloria. I know it's been a while, but I've been very sick. I was debating whether to do this video or not, but just a little something to touch base, let you guys know that I'm still on a journey. But unfortunately, this flare up is just not going away. So I'm on antibiotic and steroids, doing a taper down. So we'll see what happens, but this is the third week now, and it's not going good. I found out last week, Thursday, the reason why I have this flare up is from going to the pool. So apparently, the chemicals is not good for you. Who would have known? So, especially for people who have COPD, and then my filtration system is not working in my lungs, so where the mucus and everything gets all the stop the bacterial infection from forming. So that's my major issue. So that's the reason why I'm having so many issues. So that's like the fifth lung disease that I just got diagnosed with. It's crazy, but to God be a glory. We stay positive and we keep on pressing forward. So now I'm looking for another activity to do outside. Still don't want to go to the gym, so I'm looking for something else. See if I can find a class outside, because I don't want to be around a lot of people with, because I'm easily to get infections, and especially because people are not wearing their masks like they was before. So therefore, the numbers are trickling back up again. That should tell you something, people. Wear your masks. So anyway, so I'm gonna keep this short. Just want to get on to let you guys know I'm still here, still doing my thing. The good thing is, through all this turmoil that's going on, I'm able to keep my anxiety and my depression down. So I just had a session with my therapist today, and let her know that I've been applying the tools, especially meditating twice a day, sometimes 3 or 4 times a day, and it's really helping me. So despite everything else that's going on, I've been at peace and more happy despite being sick. So that's a good thing, for my mental health state anyway, because this journey. And the key thing is having peace with your mental health state. Otherwise, everything else is fall. Doesn't matter whether your food is good, doesn't matter if you're exercising, that doesn't matter at all. So that's a good thing. Yes, I'm still doing exercise, even though my physical therapist think I should lay off of it. But I just do light. I'm not doing heavy cardio or anything like that. I'm just stepping, slowly, peacefully throughout the day, to keep my sedation levels low. So I'm still working on that. So every hour I do like 500 to 1,000 steps, depending on what it is. Just marching in place slowly, with my oxygen on to keep my, levels low, and trying not to talk so much. Because that's when. But that's me. That's what I'm doing. I encourage you guys to stay safe, regardless of what areas you're at and on your journey. Yes, you can have tough times, but it's how you get through those tough times. And that's why I'm posting this video, to show you, even though I'm going through a tough time right now, I'm remaining positive through it all. And taking it one day, one step, one small change at a time. Be encouraged and stay positive. Thank you guys for watching my videos. I so appreciate the support.